Hi friends, today I am showing you the V-Skate 2-tire scooter. So this scooter is for the kids from age 8 to 14 years. This is the blue scooter which I received from the seller, and as you see that this comes in a protective packing and this is in the folding stage. So you can also fold it like this for the storage, so this will take less space. It's pretty easy to just open it, and if you see, this is the 120 model. This have 3 height adjustment, comes with the keys so that you can adjust it. So there are 2 different keys and the manual how you will do it. So this is pretty straightforward. So this is the manual, and this manual have like how to set it off, what are the different parts, and just to let you know, this scooter also have a brake in the back tire. I will show you that, so in case if someone wants to brake it. And these are the 2 like keys that can be used for use with this scooter. So all the instructions and everything is provided along with it. And these tires, you can see these are the lighted tires, so when there is a particular speed, you will see the lights in the tire. So both front and the back tires have lights in it. And let's see, like this is pretty, so you have to take out this knob, or I will just say a little bit take it out from the both side, and you have to put this handle on a different direction, like an angle of the scooter, if you want to unfold this. So the thing is, you have to take or stretch both these knobs at the same time, so that once the knob you will take from the both sides, and you will be easily able to set this scooter in the running position like this. So, and then just tight these knobs and you are done. So this scooter is now in the running mode. From the other side, you have to put this lever down so that this will lock the position, and this is easy for you to use. So as the base, you see these are the handles. So what you need is like the click tock sort of handles. It's pretty easy, you just open it and just include or put it inside with this knob, like press it, put it inside, and this will lock in a position with this hole. So this is pretty easy to set it up for the handle. Take out the protective plastic and this rubber band so that you can feel. This is a cushion handle, that's easy like for the kids on the hands. So after setting these 2 handles, you will see this comes in a position of the scooter. So let me remove this. This is the side bar to hold. This is like a stand for this scooter that the kids can easily use to stand this scooter on the side. It's pretty like good design, I will say. And for this eye key, you can see that you can adjust the handle by removing or opening this screw, and the keys are provided, so you can use this key. So there are 2 keys for 2 different sockets. So the set take just 1 key, and only 1 key will fit in this size. So you loosen it and you put it in the height. So once I set this one, you will see the 3 holes here. These 3 holes are for the setting of the handle height. So these are 3-in-1 height that you can use from small kids to the large kids. And the pretty set this, you have to press this button and then take it up and then put it in the knob you want this height to be. This is the brake I was talking about. This is the brake in the back tire, that when the kid want to press the brake, they can just put this one and there will be a brake to the speed. So again, this is the stand, and the quality, you can see the paint quality and the metal quality is all good. I don't see any issue with it, with a strong scooter. And as I said, both tires have a light in it, so these are all lighted tires while using this scooter on the road. So as I said, these are the cushiony handles, is easy for the kids on their hands, and it's pretty much simple thing that they can use. Two hooks that can be used to put something for the kids they want to put, and the knobs to adjust the handle. So I will just show you the outside now. So now this is how it looks like on the road. On the outside thing is pretty good, and I'm putting it for my kid, and you can see like my kid is just using it. He is totally new to this, but he can balance it well, and the wheels are really good and smooth. This is a pretty good scooter for kids.